The Beatles, Michael Jackson, and Elvis Presley were known for having crazed fans during the heights of their careers. These fans were experiencing something called a parasocial relationship. Parasocial relationships have existed for as long as the concept of celebrities, but what exactly are they? According to find.psych.org, parasocial relationships are one sided relationships where a person extends emotional energy, interest, and time to a person who is completely unaware of the other's existence. There are three types of parasocial relationships: entertainment social, intense personal, and borderline pathological. The most common type of parasocial relationship is entertainment social. According to health.clevelandclinic.org, this occurs when someone is fascinated by a celebrity or character, primarily because they find them captivating, and their fandom helps build real life relationships. Having this type of relationship is entirely harmless, and one can even reap benefits from it, such as forging new friendships and acquiring knowledge. On the other hand, the remaining two types are problematic. When it comes to the intense personal type, this is when someone is aware that there is no real connection but cannot control their feelings. People who have this type of parasocial relationship may feel the need to constantly check their favorite celebrities' social media to the point where it is unhealthy and obsessive, which can also damage or prevent real life relationships. The borderline pathological type of parasocial relationship is the most dangerous and unhealthy, but it is also the least common type of parasocial relationship. This type occurs when an individual loses control of their emotions, thoughts, and sometimes actions towards their favorite celebrity. Such a relationship can lead to stalking and even violence. After reaching out to an FHS specialist, here is what she had to say on the topic.
I think that they can be a good thing and a bad thing, so pros and cons. Um, I think a positive is that it gives people like joy and content to look forward to and things that they like if you like a TV show or you like a celebrity or like Taylor Swift, for example, you like when they post things or when they make videos or they make music. And so that can be a positive, but a negative of parasocial relationships could be if you are too obsessed with someone that you're probably never going to meet, that can be a downfall and maybe lead to like depression or anxiety or something like that.
In conclusion, parasocial relationships are completely fine to have as long as people have self awareness and respect for the other party.